Print on demand in 2019. I think a lot of people are sleeping on print on demand, and in this video I want to explain the two reasons why I enjoy using it and why I think it's a better fit for a lot of you guys in 2019. So if you don't know my story, not that story. I started off by selling hoodies from AliExpress and my store did really well, but because I was using AliExpress as the supplier, you guys know how it goes. Long shipping times, weird, sketchy Chinese packaging, and definitely a lot of customer support issues. So at that point I realized there's no point in using AliExpress. I can just put that same design on a print-on-demand hoodie. Also, the packaging is a lot better, and the little label that they put on the package, it comes with your store's logo on it. And then also what I like a lot is the auto-fulfillment feature, where I like the auto-fulfillment feature because you can just link your card and it's automatically going to fulfill the orders for you. But I want to talk about two things, tips, keys, whatever the heck it is, that make me like it and make me think it's going to be a good fit for a lot of you guys in 2019. The number one thing that I like is how easy it is to put the right thing in front of the right people. Because people are trained to desire certain slogans, colors, shapes, things like that, patterns. Pretty much everybody is now selling merch because nobody wants to think for themselves and everybody just follows the default path. Your fitness brand is doing well? Great, sell merch. You're a YouTuber and you're doing well? Great, sell merch. And usually merch only entails hoodies and t-shirts. So there's so much competition in the hoodies and t-shirt space. That is why I personally really enjoy at the moment phone cases and backpacks. And also because the margins on there are pretty good if you know how to get really high quality designs in front of the right people. But yeah, pretty much last year you guys would see it in my videos. I would only recommend Printful, and for the phone cases I like T-Launch, and I would use T-Launch for the phone cases because it gave you like a full, like let's say this is a phone case, it would wrap all the way around. Whereas when you used Printful, it would only print it on the front and it would look super cheap and cheesy. So my prediction for 2019 is that things like the phone cases, the wallets, the backpacks, with print-on-demand designs, put in front of a very specific group of people, it's gonna be the path to success for a lot of you guys watching my videos because like I said, nobody is thinking for themselves anymore. Every dropshipper is following the exact same path that is being laid out on YouTube. It's like they're operating with blinders on. And everybody else in the fashion world, not fashion world, but influencer world, is selling merch because that's just all they think that they can do, when in reality there's so many other ways to monetize a brand. The overarching point that I want to make is that there's nothing wrong with following a proven path because that's going to save you a lot of headache. But at the same time, if you're copy and pasting a proven path, there's going to be so much competition. And my key to print on demand, what's always worked for me, following a proven path. Like for example with hunting, it's proven that they like certain designs and slogans. I can get data on that. I can go into Facebook groups, I can go on Instagram, I can go all over the internet and find what's proven that they already like. I can then see what's best selling on Amazon, on Etsy. I can go on all these sporting goods stores. What are the best selling things in there? I can then verify that certain patterns do better than other patterns in the hunting space. Certain colors do better, certain slogans do better. Verify that even further. To take this even a step further, you can go on social media like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook, see what posts that are quote related get the most engagement. You'll see that some quote posts get tens of thousands of likes, but another quote on the same exact hunting page will only have like 400 likes. Take all of that data in, because that is how you follow the proven path and you don't just blindly guess. But from there, tweak it, adjust it, and bring something to the marketplace that hasn't been done yet. For example, you find a pattern that's doing really well, you find a quote that's doing very well, you put that onto a phone case, or you put that onto a wallet, or you mesh it onto a backpack. Those products are likely not available in the marketplace. You know they like those quotes, you know they like those patterns, but if you were to search for that in a backpack or phone case form, it's not there, it doesn't exist. That is how you slightly tweak it so that you're not copying and pasting. You're stealing, as they would say in Steal Like an Artist. Pretty much that book wrapped up in one sentence is bad artists will just copy and paste. Good artists will steal. That's why they say good artists steal, because you just don't even know that they took it. They took inspiration, they tweaked it, they introduced something that didn't already exist. But if you introduce something that already exists blindly, that is a recipe for failure. Take what's already working, tweak it, and all I'm saying when I say tweak it is to just put it on something that doesn't exist yet. Backpack, phone case, hooded blanket, some sort of print-on-demand item. This is the opportunity in 2019 that I think a lot of people are sleeping on, and I want to bring light to it because I feel so many people right now are operating with blinders on because they're getting their information all from the same big YouTubers who just say, AliExpress, viral product, viral video, target everyone in the world. It could work. I'm not even blaming them. That works for them. What works for me, what's always worked for me in life is just doing things that are just so obvious that they're not gonna not work, if that makes sense. Put the perfect thing in front of the right person based on data that you've researched, and then make a store around that. And that is just how I'm gonna be doing things in 2019. That is what I'm gonna be bringing to this channel in 2019. And that is why I've redone my course to make sure it accounts for all of these subtle changes that are going on and gets you ready for 2019. To celebrate the end of the year, to celebrate the holiday, I'm gonna pick 2 of you guys to win the course completely free. All you gotta do, follow my Instagram, like any 3 posts that you want, it doesn't matter. Then after you do that, just comment on this video with your Instagram name and you will be entered in to win the course entirely for free. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.